Hello all, my name is Tanay Kulkarni and I am a consulting engineer at DTK Hydronet Solutions. In the past 2 months, we have trained many engineers from all across the world, from UAE to Canada, from India to United States, from Tanzania to Botswana. We received an ultra positive feedback from all these learners, and that resulted in many additional training requests from newer participants. Therefore, we have decided to announce 2 exclusive training batches on Bentley OpenFlow's WaterGems Connect edition. The first batch is scheduled on 7th, 8th and 9th May 2021. This batch would be a fundamentals training opportunity for those who are completely new to hydraulic modeling, or even someone who has been working on hydraulic models but want to upgrade their skills beyond just the software. This is a great opportunity to advance your skills and take your career to the next level. The 3 days fundamentals training is a great opportunity to get introduced to WaterGems as a tool for performing hydraulic modeling. In this course, the participants will learn the basic hydraulic modeling skills and interesting topics like steady state calibration, criticality analysis, extended period simulation, model builder, load builder, T-Rex would also be discussed. We have scheduled an advanced batch, 2 days Bentley OpenFlow's WaterGems intermediate course. This course is for those who have been actively working on WaterGems before for many years, but still wonder what is the full potential of the software and how it can be useful to perform advanced hydraulic modeling studies. There are many extremely useful tools and features in the software that are relatively unknown to many. This would be an opportunity to dive into the depths of core hydraulic modeling to solve important and complex engineering challenges. The 2 days intermediate course scheduled on 22nd and 23rd May 2021 is designed in such a way that it will help water infrastructure engineers tackle engineering challenges and solve complex problems with great ease using WaterGems as a tool. This course begins with how Darwin Designer, a genetic algorithm based optimization tool, tackles complex optimization challenges related to water networks, water quality modeling, and other advanced features such as Darwin Calibrator, Pipe Renewal Planner would also be taught. In this course, you will learn how to perform remote leakage detection studies on water models with the use of field captured observation. As this is an intermediate course, the participants are expected to satisfy some important prerequisites such as knowledge of hydraulic modeling, steady state and extended period simulation analysis, steady state calibration, setting up controls and operations, criticality analysis, and most importantly, scenarios and alternatives. Do not worry. If you are interested to learn the advanced features but do not meet these prerequisites, then we recommend you to enroll for both the courses, that is WaterGems Fundamentals and Intermediate. Again, please note these important dates. These are the last batches that we have scheduled for 2021. Consider upgrading your skills with us. If you have any queries, doubts or questions, please feel free to reach out to us anytime. Do not miss out on grabbing this opportunity. The link to registration is in the description. Thank you so much.